Thank you very much, Carly. We're here with Scott Dickey of Peak Performance right before the game. Scott, tell us a little bit about what Peak does. We see you out here at all these area games. What are your responsibilities?
We actually are an extension of the athletic trainer here at Parkview, Alan Miller, and the physician. So if an athlete goes down on the field, we're here to assist. If it gets more involved in that and the athlete is out during the week under the prescription of a doctor, we will help rehab that athlete to get him back to the field as quickly as possible, ultimately with the doctor having the final say-so.
You know, Peak's around all these games within the region. I mean, you guys have been doing this for years.
We've been doing this probably since the mid-90s, and we enjoy it. High school football is so fun. Even with weather like this, it's great. These kids had such a passion, and it's all heart. So we really enjoy it. Even in rainy weather, it's even nicer, obviously, when the weather's beautiful.
Peak provides these services not just for football, that's right?
Yeah, there's a lot of girl sports involved as well. You know, girls volleyball, basketball, soccer, track, cross country, swimming, just to name a few, gymnastics, cheer and dance. And quite frankly, there's probably more girls that get hurt than we see in the clinics than boys.
Scott, we appreciate your efforts. They're so needed. Thank you for being in the area.
Thank you so much.